Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you our latest NB-IoT data logger WBdot. Now before we start, here's the outline of this video. Feature, accessories, housing, installation, and operation. This is a wireless vibrating wire data logger. WBdot is available with 1-channel model or 4-channel model. NB-IoT is a part of 4G and 5G technology. If you would like to know more about it, please Google it. Let's open it and check out all the parts shown in this image. You will see a WBdot, a 16GB SD card, a license card, and NB-IoT antenna. You also need a NB-IoT SIM card and two 18650 Li batteries. We suggest you source them locally because shipping them could be expensive. Now let's talk about the housing. You will see an antenna port, two battery holders, a cable gland, a COM port, an SD card slot, a SIM card slot, a 2-layer terminal socket, a test button, and finally, a WB enclosure. And now let's move on to the installation part. First, connect the sensor to WBdot. WBdot can connect to 350 ohms resistance rebar instruments. Press the orange latch and insert the signal cable, then release it. Second, insert the SD card. The SD card contains WB configuration setup file. You need to configure a file called WB setup before inserting the SD card into the slot. Please refer to our other video, How to Set Up WBdot, for more information. Third, insert the SIM card. Please open the iron lid and put in the SIM card. Then push the lid to close it. Please contact your local telecom providers on NB-IoT service first. Every country has a different data plan and wireless frequency band for NB-IoT. Fourth, connect the antenna. Please let us know your NB-IoT service frequency. We'll get you the correct antenna based on your NB-IoT frequency band. We have also made videos on how to use DOT, how to use DOT 2, and how to set up FTP function for WBdot. These videos are must-watch videos if you want to use the wireless function on WBdot. Make sure you check them out before you turn on your WBdot. Last, place the batteries into the battery holders. Here's a friendly reminder, the positive and negative electrodes of two battery holders are on different direction. Please be aware when installing batteries. WBdot will turn on automatically after the power is on. The green LED light will stay on until the data has successfully transmitted to our server. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for the green LED light to turn off for the first time usage due to the NB-IoT server registration. Again, please check out our other videos related to FTP setup and web interface if you want to use the wireless function. And here, we're moving on to the operation of WBdot. If you would like to inspect the WBdot, press the test button in WBdot, then it will take a measurement instantly and send it through NB-IoT to our server. Finally, your WBdot is ready for monitoring. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.